We'll guide you through how to create a Printify calendar. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the catalog section located at the top of the homepage. Here, you'll find various product categories, so scroll down to locate the home and living section and select calendars. Next, you need to choose the type of calendar you want to create. There might be options for wall calendars or desk calendars, so pick the one that fits your needs. After selecting your preferred calendar type, you'll be taken to the design interface here. Click on Start Designing to begin customizing your calendar. Upload your images by clicking on the Add Image button, which is usually found on the left side of the design tool. You can drag and drop your photos into specific months or choose a theme for the entire calendar. Make sure your images have a high resolution for the best print quality. You can also add text by selecting the Add Text option, which allows you to insert captions or special notes for specific dates. After designing, preview your calendar to ensure everything looks perfect. Use the preview option to flip through each month and double check alignment and image quality. Once satisfied, click Save Product and then Publish to add it to your store or for personal use. If you're planning to purchase it directly, go to your My Product section and click on Order Sample to receive a physical copy. Don't forget to review your shipping and payment details before completing the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully created a beautiful custom calendar using Printify. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.